If you guys want to see how I achieved this Mr. Wonderful theme birthday party, keep watching. What it is, yo, what's up? Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so that you are officially a part of the journey. If it's not your first time, I'm so happy and pleased that you are back. I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy and pretty DIY project. I'm gonna show you today how I achieved this look using Dollar Tree items. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so for the cake stand, I'll be using this serving tray which came in 2 sizes. I'm going with the larger size, and this heavy duty wine glass that I got from the Dollar Tree, these gems that I believe I got from Amazon. I'm not quite sure, but I'll look it up and leave it in the description box. And I'll also be using this hammer and this prick. I'll also be using E600 and my glue gun, which I didn't capture here. Alright guys, so here I am making my holes with my hammer and my prick. I'm doing them 1 inch apart, and I'm just gonna do it all the way around. Now I'm just making my marking for the placement of the wine bottle and where I'm gonna put that E600 glue. Now I'm using my glue gun to add some hot glue to the rim of the wine glass because I wanted it to secure immediately. Then I added a book for weight and I let it sit overnight. So for these trays that you're seeing, I used the candy bowls along with the serving trays. I didn't really record how I made it because it's the same steps that I did minus making the holes. So to spray paint, I'm using the Rust-Oleum metallic finish in gold, which I purchased from Walmart. They were literally dry within minutes, but I did, however, let them sit for about 2 hours. So I do realize that I didn't really include everything that I made in the video. So if you guys have any questions or concern, go ahead and drop those in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you are officially a part of the journey. Yeah.